Next up is our senior speaker. The senior has represented SAS, TEDx, robotics, and is now representing her grade for the assembly. Can we give Jacqueline Chan a warm welcome?
Though I find myself on stage often, this may be the first time I've said more than one word other than my two-line claim to fame and anything goes. But here I am representing my senior class. It's an honor. When I first stepped foot into SAS, it was my first time living overseas. Like many of you, I'm not originally from Singapore. The plan was to stay for 2 years. 13 years later, and I'm still here. What was once a foreign and mysterious place is now home. In such a transient community, it can be hard to find constants. Friends come and go, and our school is constantly innovating. From bright orange polos to house shirts, morning show to daily bulletin emails, compliments SAS to advisory, and Club Mondays to tri-weekly flexes. We seniors have seen more change than some people do in a lifetime. We've endured and adapted to transformations again and again. Advisory has placed us at the forefront of community building, uniting our class once and for all. I can barely remember how I even formed connections with any of my peers or teachers before the advisory program. We are now at the point where we will soon be saying goodbye. So I invite you to think for a moment about your fondest memories. Where were you, and who was with you? For me, some of my fondest memories were made in the dance studio and the robotics lab, a place where friends and hard work blended. What place will you recall long after you have left Singapore? Even though Stress AS sometimes seems to overshadow all our memories, when we leave, it will be the people that we remember most dearly. Everyone's experience is different. I mean, DSLOs have ensured that all of us have had an excellent personalized learning experience. I can't possibly encompass every one of our accomplishments, failures, and everything in between with one speech. Our interests and passions diverge in many ways, but we are all connected by one thing: Catalyst. Jokes aside, I've seen some of the most amazing ideas come to life through the Catalyst program. But senior year has been one rocky ride. Many of us turned legal this year, possibly leading to many bad decisions. Hard as it might be to believe, we rose above our instinct to compete during college admission season and supported each other as we heard back from distinguished institutions. Or for those of you doing NS, we supported you as you received your enlistment letters. Juniors, you have big shoes to fill. I don't have much novel advice to give you, but I cannot stress this one point enough. Don't get absorbed into the college frenzy and lose touch with what really matters: your friendships. And performers, cherish your last moments on stage, as this may be the last time you'll be performing with a $3 million Constellation sound system. And I just have to say, thank you dancers for ruining my ability to speak with full sentences or words. For many seniors, SES is just in one small chapter of your life thus far. For those of you who have stuck it out since the walkathon, read to the feed, read the Roman day, to every one of you. Thank you for making this community so welcoming. So in this last remaining minute available to us, pause, even close your eyes, and picture the one person at SES that you cannot have done this without. this person, faculty, staff, or friend who has supported you and carried you throughout the years, and make sure they know that they have mattered to you. Class of 2018 seniors, it's been 13 amazing, tumultuous years. Thank you for the memories.